Welcome back guys in the lecture of HTML. So today we are going to create a HTML5 file with its syntax. Okay guys. So in the previous video I have shown you a simplest way to create a HTML page or HTML file. Okay. So we will follow the same. Let's create a HTML file first. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to right click and select a new option, then we have to create a text document. Okay, and I am giving its name index, or you can call it my first HTML page with what extension .html. I think this will make you confused. Okay, so now if I run this, there is nothing inside this file because we have to edit it first. We have to put some content in this. Okay, so I will click on this, right click basically, and open with Notepad. Okay guys, so here I am creating a HTML syntax, so do not go on the syntax, I will explain it later. Okay, so let me create it first. It won't take that much time, just give me 2 minutes. Okay, I think we got it. Inside head tag there is a one more tag, that is title. I will explain you guys my first HTML page. Okay, so before jumping on the code, there are some technical term which I have to explain you guys. Okay, let me open a notepad. So the first thing is tags, or we can call it as element as well. Okay, so what are tags and elements? Whatever the name which is enclosed or closed within less than and greater than symbol. Okay, here we will give a tag name, and there are two type of tags or element, you can call it, that is self closing tag and the tag those having opening and closing. Okay, so first is opening and closing tags, and second is self closing, or you can call it independent tags or elements. Oh, okay. Okay, so inside this braces or brackets, you can call it, or you can name it less than or greater than symbol, the tag name is there. Okay, and this is the opening of the tag, we don't have any slash. Okay, and how we will define the closing? Here is the closing of the tag by giving backward slash. Okay, we call this as backward slash, and we call this as a forward slash. Okay guys, so same wise we have a tags. So HTML is a opening and closing type tag. This is the type 1 tag. Okay guys, and head also, title also, and body also, because we have the closing tag of this tag also, right? We have open head here and we have close head here. Okay guys, so this is the basic structure of the HTML. Now how you will relate this with a picture? Let me explain you in a simplest way. Okay, where is my whiteboard? Here it is. Okay, it's opening. Okay, I think okay, I'm taking this picture. Wow, it's so cute, I think. So suppose, let me increase the size of this picture. Okay, so now relate HTML code with a diagram. Okay, this part is head and this is body, right? So to remember this thing, we have a head, right? And this all is our body. Now what is the difference between head and body tag? Why we write all the codes that we want to show on the website within this tag, body tag? See, there are many ideas, plans occurring in your mind every time, every second. Okay guys, what's going on in your mind, nobody knows, right? So it's hidden basically. Okay, so all the information about yourself is hidden in your mind, nobody can see but your body, right? This is public, people can see, people can watch you, anything, right? So same wise, whatever we write in the body tag here, it's visible on the website. Okay guys, I think this will make you clear. And whatever we have the ideas, plans, or the source you can call it, it's the better name you can say, we write here. Okay, suppose let me save this file. Okay, and let's run our this file, my first dot html. Okay, okay, we got our title. I don't know why it is not working. Okay, I think I found the error. I misplaced the, I have mistaken the name here, title. Okay, now if I refresh, here it is. Okay, whatever I write here, whatever I write here, it will be to everyone. Okay guys, and whatever I write here, it won't be visible. Somehow it is showing, but on the server it won't show. Okay guys, what server? When you put your website live basically on the domain. Okay, so I think this will make you clear. This is our head and this is our body. What comes in the body, that we want to show to others. Okay guys, and let's revise this. So this is our opening and closing tag of HTML. Inside HTML we have a head. Compare this with a picture. Okay, so this by remembering this picture, you never forget this. Okay guys, I think now this picture will be in your mind every time. Okay, so this is your head and this is your body. Whatever we want to present to others, we write in this tag, and whatever we want to hide and we do not want to show about the file type and whatever the other information, we write in the head tag. Okay guys, so now coming on this structure, the first tag, that is doc type HTML, this will tell you the type of the document. Okay guys, tell to whom? This tag tell to the compiler, or you can say the browser. that this file is of HTML type or this document is of HTML type. Okay guys, so this tag will show that the HTML code start from here. Okay, and these are the head tag. The browser automatically understand that I don't want to show this to the users. Okay, so when browser saw this tag, this is the body tag, so from here it will get to know that I have to execute all the code which are in the body tag on my screen basically, or the browser screens. Okay guys, so doc type HTML defines the type of the document. This HTML defines the starting of the HTML code. This head part defines the starting of the head tag basically, or element also. Do not get confused in tag or elements. Okay, great. So now in the next lecture we will get brief idea about tags, how many types of tags are there or elements you can call it. Okay, then so your today's task it took is sorry, so today's what task you I have to give you. Okay, today's task is to create yesterday task only, whatever I have given you yesterday, that is resume or CV. But what's the difference? This time you have to create in HTML structure within the body tag. Okay, okay, sorry. Okay, so guys, see you in the next lecture. Please do practicing, and after completing, do mail me your project or assignment at this email ID. Okay, do it seriously. This is my request. This will change your career also. Okay guys, see you in the next lecture.